Hey guys, I am so excited because I kept seeing these lip kits. Hey guys, look what I have. I have Glamlite Lip Kits. I kept seeing them on TikTok. They were going viral and I was like, when I have the time, I want to try them because I love it's a minority owned business. B, it's an Afro Latina. Boom. Okay, let's check out the shirt. Okay, and C, I just love a good lip combo. I really wanted to try them out and see how they work. Plus, one of my mutuals on TikTok, she is a great seller on TikTok. And she convinced me that I should have it because her lips always look amazing. So we're going to try hot cocoa first, and then we're going to try the cinnamon swirl. Let's see how it works out. Okay, so this is the hot cocoa. As you can see, it comes with its own lip liner, and then it has like a really nice lip balm. I want to say maybe it's a lip gloss, and I'm gonna look in my mirror because First, can we talk about, except for the little tip breaking off, how smooth and easy it is to get this on? Oh my gosh. And that's what I love. I love when you can blend a lip liner. Mm. Okay, so I took it in a little bit in the corners. Okay, now we're going to try this really pretty tinted lip. It smells so good, y'all. It smells divine. Look, look, I don't want to put my lips all up on this camera, but mm, mm, that is pretty. That is so cute. Okay. And it smells so good. It feels very light. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels, yes, hydrating, but it doesn't feel like it's going to be so hydrating that your lips are going to start to peel. Sometimes lip gloss can make your lips peel really fast, and it's because it's drying out your lips, and then your lips are kind of like trying to hydrate themselves with whatever's on it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, all right, let's try the next one. Cinnamon swirl up. Okay, so let's look at this brown, which is a little bit lighter. Okay, and here's the lip gloss, which is a little lighter. Cinnamon swirl. Remember, we're doing cinnamon swirl. Okay, off camera. Okay, nice blend. Oh, cinnamon swirl. Let's see what happens. Ah, it smells so damn good. Like, I'm glad I'm old enough to stop licking my lips when I put on a lip gloss because I am sure I caused my heart and my lungs some issues back in the day licking all the damn lip gloss off because it tastes like cherry and strawberry. And as expected, this is a little bit lighter, but still so pretty. Just mm. Okay. So my true review. It's worth the viral. It's worth the viral talk. Like, I love lip glosses that feel like you can put them on any time of the day and they're going to work for you. That's number one. Number two, I love a great lip combo, especially a darker out, nice faded in. Three, both of these would be great putting over top of a long stay lip stick so I can use this blend in multiple ways. And four, I get to do it because I want to, and who doesn't want that? So, mwah. Glam Light. I'm glad I waited, but I will be purchasing again. Yes, I will. Don't tell my husband. Okay. All right. Bye, guys.